Hello everyone, we are doing grammar of standard 4th. This is module number 11. In this module we are going to cover uses of do and make. So when do we use the word do and make in a sentence, that we are going to learn in this, and we are also going to learn conjunctions. So this is module number 11 of standard 4th. Come on, let's get started. Well, we are going to learn the use of do. D-O, do. Now, where do we use the word do? We use do when we talk about a task or some work. So, when we have to do some work or some task, we use the word do. Like, did you do your homework last night? So, here the word do is specifying homework किया था. The next example, do the math sums before you take a break. So again do, math sum करना है, do. Okay, so where do is used when we talk about a task or some work, जब कुछ काम करना है. Now again do is also used when we refer to general activity. कुछ भी general activity जो हमको करना है, there also do is used. Like I want to do something good for the poor. So the person wants to do something good for the poor. उसे poor के लिए कुछ करना है. Please don't do the work now. So don't do the work now. Work अभी नहीं करना है. So these are the two uses of do. We use do when we talk about a task or some work, and we also use do when we refer to general activities. The next word we are going to learn is the use of make. M-A-K-E, make. Now where do we use make? We use make when we talk about making or creating something. अब कुछ काम करने के लिए हम do use करते हैं, but when we make or create something, जब हम कुछ बनाते हैं, we use the word make. Can you make some pulao for dinner please? Can you make, बना सकते हो. Next is let's make a chart on water pollution. So let's make, हम लोग chart बनाते हैं. This is one use of make. Now what is the next use of the word make? We also use make to show the effect of something. जब हमको कोई चीज़ का effect बताना है, that time also we use the word make. Peeling onions can make your eyes water. So what happens when we peel onions? It makes our eyes water. तो peeling onions का effect क्या है? Our eyes water. Ravi can make his sister happy by taking her to a movie. So how he can make his sister happy? How can the effect be shown on Ravi's sister? She becomes happy when he takes her to a movie. Okay. So let's see more examples of do and make. Now this example is of do. Let's do these exercises quickly. So let's do, करते हैं. Make a cup of tea and leave it on the table. Make, बनाकर रखो. Next is Ravi wants to do a yoga course. Wants to do, करना है. What can make a little baby smile? क्या कर सकते हैं? What can make? I will do your work if you do mine. So I will do your work, तुम्हारा काम करूँगा, if you do mine, अगर तुम मेरा काम करोगे. The principal will make an announcement now. The principal will make. The principal क्या करेंगे? Announcement करेंगे. Okay. So we have seen the word do and make. Now can we do a fill in the blanks using the words do or make? Can we do that? Come on, let us try. My father helps me dash my homework. Now what father? We have to use either do or make. Do use करना है या make use करना है. So my father helps me do my homework or make my homework. So it is, correct word is do. My father helps me do my homework. Let's see the next sentence. Will Rachna dash a paper boat for me? Now again the word do and make. So what we will use? Make, because paper boat is supposed to be made. Will Rachna make a paper boat for me? I can dash good tea. So what can I do? I can make good tea. Dash, you want to read this book. Now, can we use the word make here? No, we have to use the word do. Do you want to read this book? The children hardly dash noise during recess. The children hardly make noise. क्या करते हैं? Make करते हैं in the recess. They hardly make मतलब नहीं करते हैं. So this was the word, the uses of word do and make. I hope you have understood up till now. Let's go to the next part. Conjunctions. So, do you know what are conjunctions? Yes or no? We have learned this in our previous classes also. Let me explain you. Conjunctions are words that join words or parts of sentences together. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions क्या होता है? जो parts और sentences के parts और words को join करता है. Like, I and my sister, I and my class. Okay, तो the word and is very basic word, सबको पता है. So there are some more words of conjunctions which we learned in third standard. They were called coordinating conjunctions. What they were called? Coordinating conjunctions. And what were the words? The words are given over here. If you follow the word fanboys, all the words are related to the coordinating conjunctions. Fanboys, F is for, A is for and, N is for nor, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for yet, and S is for so. So this is fanboys. Now these are the coordinating conjunctions which we learned in our third standard. Like my favorite is cricket and kabaddi. Do you like chocolate or vanilla? I am happy for I completed my lesson. I know reading, but I am slow in writing. So these are some of the coordinating conjunctions. Now you will say, Miss, we have already learned the conjunctions. What you are teaching again? So conjunctions have three parts. How many parts conjunctions have? Conjunctions have three parts. The first is coordinating conjunctions, which you have already studied in your third standard. Just now I explained you. And, but, nor. These were coordinating conjunctions. The second is correlative conjunctions, which we are going to study in this lesson. What is this? Correlative conjunctions. And the third is subordinating conjunctions. So conjunctions are divided into three parts: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. So I hope you have understood three parts of conjunctions. Which are the three parts? Coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions we have already studied in our third standard. They were for, and, but, yet, so, etc. Now let's see correlative conjunctions. Now what are correlative conjunctions? Let us understand. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join phrases or words that carry equal importance within a sentence. So what are correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions work in pairs. The word correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join phrases or words that carry equal importance within a sentence. I'll explain you better with an example. Now if you see, let us understand. Now we know in coordinating conjunctions we have got and, but, so. So in correlative conjunctions we have neither nor. Which word we have? Neither nor. So if you see, they are in pair, साथ में है, हम अलग नहीं use कर सकते. We have to use, if you are using neither, we have to use nor also. I'll explain you. Meher wants neither fruits nor vegetables. So what Meher is telling? Meher is giving equal importance. The word neither and nor shows that Meher gives equal importance to both vegetables and fruits. She does not want either of them. मतलब उसको ये भी नहीं चाहिए और वो भी नहीं चाहिए. Neither nor. This is the first word of correlative conjunction. The second is either or. Either or. If we are using either, we have to use or also. Either अकेले नहीं use कर सकते. Meher wants either burger or sandwich. So here Meher gives equal importance to both burger and sandwich by saying that she would like to eat either burger or sandwich. Either of the two she likes to, she wants to eat. So first in neither or nor we saw कि वो भी नहीं चाहिए वो भी नहीं चाहिए. Either or we saw ये भी चलेगा वो भी चलेगा. So that was neither nor, either or. The next word, not only but also. तो हम लोग ने देखा neither nor, either or. So here it is not only but also. Now when Meher is telling that she wants neither fruits nor vegetables, but she either wants sandwich or burger. So what mother is replying, they not only lead to high cholesterol but are also bad for Meher's teeth. So now here mother is giving equal importance to both the reasons कि ये भी होगा और वो भी होगा. Not only high cholesterol but bad for teeth also. So again not only but also, ये भी होगा और वो भी होगा. So we have seen correlative conjunctions neither nor, either or, not only but also. So I hope you have understood these examples. Now can we try to use these words, correlative conjunctions, in our sentences? Come on, let us try. He is dash polite dash kind. That is why I dislike him. Now we have to either use either or, neither nor, not only but also. ये तीन ही correlative conjunction use करना है. So what do you think we should use over here? Now the boy dash polite dash kind. That is why I dislike him. तो ये भी हो सकता है वो भी हो सकता है. Yes, he is neither polite nor kind. That is why I dislike him. वो polite भी नहीं है और kind भी नहीं है. Okay. The second one, this dish is dash delicious dash elegant. मतलब ये भी है और वो भी है. This dish is not only delicious but also elegant. Delicious भी है और elegant भी है. Dash my mother dash my father will come to pick me up. So here now we are assuming कि डैडी आ सकते हैं या मम्मी आ सकती है. So we will be using the word either my mother or my father will come to pick me up. दोनों में से कोई एक आएगा. Last is Neha dash finished her work dash helped her brother to complete his. So here if you see, Neha not only finished her work but also helped her brother to complete his. So Neha is doing her work but also she is helping her brother to complete the work. So I hope you have understood the grammar which we took in this module, the uses of word do and make and correlative conjunctions. So we'll meet again in the next module. Till then, bye.